Hey weirdos, welcome back to the Evil Lair. We have an unusual project. Most of our projects are kind of unusual, but this one's particularly unusual as this seems to be a request from several YouTubers out there to make this for a friend of theirs. So here's what we gotta kind of do. We gotta make a trophy for somebody who I'll admit is well deserving of some sort of trophy out there. And what we gotta do is we have to incorporate hands, because that's kind of his shtick, right? Just showing his hands. We also got to incorporate the Kool-Aid Man, Spam, Googly Eyes, and of course his initials. To find out who this is, you're going to have to hang out. So let's start making some plaster hands. Let's do that first. And then we'll figure out the rest of this. Because I honestly, I'm just making this one up as I go. So I'm sorry if it's bad editing. But I have no idea how to make this. So let's start with what we know. We know how to make hands. Let's get a plaster casting going. Alright, so check this out. First off, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you right now, I'm not a fan of that plaster, so we won't be using that again. I'm not sure how those hands are going to turn out. Hopefully we can fix whatever it is. I just know they're just going to be a mess and probably connected. The mold material was awkward too, so I'm just going to go back to the stuff that I know. And to do that, we got to incorporate now these two guys, the Kool-Aid Man and Spam guy. I don't know what to call them. We got to incorporate these two things. So we need to make another mold. And this one we're going to use a more rubberized mold to capture all those little details in him, right? And then we're going to capture his little details too. Now, the Spam one might have to go in and do that by hand, obviously. So I might as well just go ahead and paint these things all together as well. Something I'm not good at. That's what we do here in the Evil Lair. We paint things. So let's go ahead and make a mold of these two guys and let that dry and then come back and say more words at you. Let's go.
there's something I can learn. Some good ideas will pop up with a new, different wind. I'm gonna let it take me to people that will trust me. I've been stuck inside my house too long. Can't stand being all alone, wasting hours on my phone. I'm ready to go now. On my way, I won't let fear hold me back. It's here to stay.
Alright, weirdos, so here's where we're at. We got our plaster. This, look, let me go ahead and tell you right now. If you get one of those little hand molding kits where you put the plaster in it, don't use the plaster in it. It does not come out well. This stuff has air bubbles in it, and now I got to figure out a way to fill it. So I'm not a big fan of that. Just get some regular old Paris of plaster, and it will always come out a lot better. I'm just going to tell you right now. Like, this comes out super great. Very detailed, and it feels like it's better to paint with. Look at that, no air bubbles in that. That's kind of cool. Alright, so we got our Kool-Aid man, we got our Spam, we got our hands, we got a piece of wood over here to mount everything on. So now we got to paint. This is the part that I'm not very comfortable with. I'm not a detailed painter. It's not my thing. But I got some paint brushes, some really small ones, and I got all the colors to match the what Spam and Kool-Aid guy looked like. Got some bronze for the hands and a few other colors. Just see what we can come up with, and then we got to figure out what we're going to do with the pedestal. Thinking burning, wooding, some glow powder, make it look like the hands are coming out of something. I don't know. Let's get started and see where we end up. Let's go.
Time since I danced all night, moving through the lights. It's been a long time. Wanna take you out, we can make it right. Don't wanna be alone anywhere. Need a new love, and I think that it's fair. I'm still looking for someone I can share all the things that's really goes inside me. Take me, baby. I just want time. If I come my way, can I make you stay? 'Cause all of my life never been in love, but I'm dreaming of. Don't wanna be alone anywhere. Need a new love, and I think that it's fair. I'm still looking for someone I can share all the things that's really goes inside me. Take me, baby. I just wanna see
So here we go. So my little figurine guys, they're drying right now. So we got to start thinking about what we're going to put this thing on, the plateau, right? So what I got is I got this little thing right here with the nice little edges to it. Boom, right? And then I got my hands. Now here's the problem that we're going to run into. If I just take this and glue it on here, plaster's heavier and eventually it will just, right? We don't want that. Oh no! So what we got to do is we got to have a quick lesson in stabilizing.
Nice.
Best way to stabilize this is, yeah, we're going to add some glue to it, but if this is our piece of wood right here, right, and we drill a hole into the platform, boop, 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 and then we insert a wooden dowel of some sort. What we can do is we can match it up into here, set it in there with glue on everything to really stabilize this onto the plateau so it doesn't want to break off anywhere. It has a post, something to anchor to. We'll do that with the hands, we'll do that with the figurines, and we'll go ahead and decorate this plateau. Probably going to do some burning on it, drill a few cut lines into it to make it look like it's cracking and breaking out, and yeah, we also got to figure out where we're going to put everything, right? Because once it's down, it's down. That's it. Once it's anchored, it's either start the project over or throw it in the trash and forget about it. All right, let's get started with that. Let's go.
There's a place in my mind where I want to be. I imagine you sitting next to me, driving into the night. We're still young and free, holding hands with no place when you're kissing me. Ocean in motion, watching
right, I think that's it. I think we're done. So this is what we came up with a little trophy for him. I know it's kind of ridiculous, but we wanted to make sure we fit as many of his kind of channel themes into it. So again, with him being a hand channel, right, we added the kind of bronze looking hands to it. The Kool-Aid guy's kind of a theme on his channel with the oh yeah. Spam, I believe that's something he hates. So got kind of crushing it. And then he's always talking about the googly eyes of YouTube watching him. We burnt the wood, cracked it out, inlaid some glow powder to it, so at night it will kind of glow and kind of look like it's just breaking apart. So yeah, I think all in all, it was a pretty good one. Comic Journey, your friends reached out to me and asked if I would make this for them, so we'll get this in the mail to you as quickly as possible. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, I sell my own brand of coffee. We got some stuff down below in the description for you. Comic Journey's channel will be down in the description. And I'll see you all at the next Evil Lair. Bye.